sentiment weighs upon us today as we face the strife and division that pervades our beloved nation. Yet, hope still lingers, for we are confident that together we can conquer any challenge and construct a future more resplendent for ourselves and posterity. With the 2023 elections fast approaching, the significance of exercising our right to vote cannot be overstated. Too long have our cries gone unheeded, our aspirations unfulfilled. The hour for change is nigh. We must unify as a nation and demand that our leaders reflect us, our goals, and our aspirations. We must implore them to act in the interest of all Nigerians, not merely a privileged few. We must insist they cast aside personal gain and prioritize the collective good. However, this transformation cannot occur without your participation. Don't be passive or indifferent. Don't be a bystander as our nation is consumed by corruption and avarice. Rise up and be the harbinger of change. Therefore, I implore you, my fellow Nigerians, to take to the polls in 2023 and have your voice reverberate. Do not let fear or skepticism deter you. Don't let anyone convince you that your vote is inconsequential, for it is the most potent instrument we possess to shape the fate of our country. Let us be remembered as the generation that extinguished corruption, poverty, and inequity. Let us be the generation that fashions a Nigeria that is genuinely free, genuinely equal, and genuinely magnificent. So let us rise up, take to the polls, and make our voices heard. Let us create a better future for ourselves, for our children, and for generations to come. Together, we can make it happen. Thank you.